Hi friends, my name is Pranav Shukla. I'm an English teacher and I welcome you to my online tutorials. This is a video for Standard 8 students. Friends, as we are not in the live class and meeting face to face, but it is a face to face on a digital platform. So before commencing our lecture, I would like to give you certain do's and don'ts dealing with the videos like that. See, there are some shortcomings of such kind of lectures. At the same time, there are plus points. The normal gags and out of the text references and some light moments we cannot share on the videos. We cannot be so casual as it is on the Word platform. At the same time, these videos can be seen again and again. You can just rewind it and watch it, rewind it and watch it. So, and you can do it at your own convenience. Timings are not barrier. So let's see the benefits only and start our session. I'll bring you two types of videos. When we deal with the textbook, you'll be having a very new experience. Apart from my face and my body language, you'll be able to see even the textbook. So I'll share your textbook with you. So because it is English language, and as far as textbook is concerned, without textbook, we should not discuss any chapter. So we'll read the chapter word to word. You will note down all the difficult words. Certain difficult words are already put on the textbook. So you'll be able to note it later even. We'll also discuss the question answers. Later you have to submit these question answers. So it will be a complete textbook experience I'm bringing to you. As far as grammar is concerned, I'll make the videos using a whiteboard. So that will be a different experience. So there are some limitations when we share the textbooks. Not be able to see me fully, you'll be able to see me in a window, but that is enough to see my face. But the most important and the most beneficial thing is that you have the textbook in front of you. So try to get the benefit of this opportunity and try to learn it up to full. So without wasting our time, let us start with the first chapter from your textbook, that is Living Dreams. Friends, it might be a long chapter, and sometimes long videos are so boring and frustrating. So if I feel that video is going to be very long, so I will shorten it to around half an hour and will make this chapter finished in parts. So it might be the first part of the chapter, and it will be finished in two parts along with the question answers. So be prepared for that. Now the first chapter, Living Dreams, is a very nice story of an adolescence, maybe of your age. Your age is very crucial. You are stepping into an age where you feel that you are grown up, and your parents still feel that you are children, your kids. And this is where the conflict starts. You think they are not able to understand you. They think they are You people are turned out to be self-willed, sometimes wayward, very stubborn, very offensive, and disobedience they feel from you. So, a lot of arguments are taken place, and the conflict reaches to its pinnacle when it comes to sharing your dreams with your parents. Once you start growing up, you start also seeing dreams about your life. I'm not talking about the dreams that we see in the night, that is a sleeping dream. That is quite obvious. It's common to all the ages. It is seen in the night and forgotten by the morning, and we might not be able to even remember that. They are so jumbled up, mixed up experiences, worthy enough to forget. But right now we are talking about our life dreams. Some children are daydreamers. Some have their dreams of life. They want to be something in the life. They cultivate ambition. They want to make their career in a certain genre, in a certain field, in a certain profession. Normally, parents want their children make their career according to their accordance, according to their wish. Even my grandfather used to say, a child should follow father's tread. Somewhere he is right, because the business, the kind of establishment the father has raised by some hard work is a pre-prepared platform for the child, and he can take that establishment from there to the better heights. So he doesn't have to struggle much. If the father is a professional and the child has got instinct of being the same thing, and he would do much better than the other children in the same profession. So ultimately it reduces the hard work and the unnecessary competition for the child. It is for their benefit. But sometimes this doesn't work. Children have their own dreams because their world is totally different than living with their friends. They're exposed to the world, they see the television, they're exposed to the social media. So they see number of professions and business and careers, and they cultivate a dream to become something else than the parents really want. And once the parents impose their wish upon the children, conflict starts. So this story also deals with the same kind of problem, and also teaches, especially the parents, that when the children reach to the adolescence, the way of dealing with them should be different, should be changed. There are now no more kids can be easily scolded and can be can have them done according to their wish. They will not react. Now they are grown-ups, so they will definitely react and might not do the way you want, and you might find them wayward. So parenthood is really tested in this particular phase of time. Normally parents are so short-tempered. They have their own concerns and their worries. They don't spare much time for counseling the children. They lose their passions. They find the scolding and beating is an easy way to treat the children, to bring them to the right path. But my friends, this is not true. Counseling, talking to somebody, maybe of any age, would be the best way to make them do the way you want. So parents wish or parents' desires or parents' thinking for you might not be wrong, but the way they execute their method of dealing with you might be wrong. So you'll also learn how to behave with an adolescent child and mold him for his betterment in the way a parent wants. So on and all is a very nice story. A lot of learning is there. A lot of difficult words are there. So I hope you will enjoy the video and will get the benefit out of it. So should we start reading the chapter? Before reading the chapter, I would like to tell you the real storyline. It is a story of a very young boy, namely Damu. He belongs to a very lower middle class, maybe lower class. His father is a fisherman. There is hardly any education in the family. And obviously this fisherman father wants his son become also a very good fisherman, much better than even him. But Damu thinks differently. He wants to be a singer. He wants to be something else, at least not a fisherman. He does not like the sea world. So he's seen differently by the parents. They have tried to mold him by beating, by scolding, but he's not convinced. And then comes a very wise, intelligent, experienced fisherman, maybe the friend of Damu's father, namely Naushad. He advises his father that he should talk to him. And he accompanies Damu and shared some very fruitful time with him by talking and counseling to him, and makes him also acquainted with the sea world, also makes him participant in a boat race. So when once Damu starts knowing about the sea world, his interest is aroused and he's showing his instinct as a fisherman, and ultimately he's seen the way his father wants, and his father seems to be very happy, and he also gives up his obstinance of making Damu as a fisherman. So child understands his parent and molds himself, and parent also molds himself in the way the child wants. So improvement is seen from both the side. So this is what the main storyline. Let's now go for the word to word reading, friends.